In today's video, I change another filter. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, I'm going to show you how to change out a furnace filter that's from the ceiling, and usually if you have the ones that are in the wall, they usually work the same. So let me show you the filter here. It's a very simple job. Here I got a 3M. There it is, a 3M one. You can see it kind of got beat up because we ordered it from Sam's Club. That's right, it got a little bit of damage, but that's all right though. It's flexible enough that it'll just go right in. And it's a 3M one. Now, on furnace filters, you have from just a regular filter all the way up to like a super hypoallergenic, yeah, I think that's the word, ones. This is like right in the middle. This is not too allergenic, I guess it would be. But one thing you do have to remember, when you get those ones that are like the super thick ones, it's gonna make your furnace work a lot harder. So that's why, our furnace is kind of old. It's about I think it's about 12 years old. So, and we don't need a super hypoallergenic one, but we need about in the middle of the road there. So what you'll need for this is, what do I need? A screwdriver and a ballpoint pen. So with that, let's get to work. Alright, the first thing you gotta do is you got a couple screws that are slotted, that are just regular screwdriver, and they're just they're like half turn screws. So what you want to do is hold this up, turn it till it pops out, and there you go. That one pops out, and there you go. Open that up. You got a couple clips here, or actually you got one clip. So bring it down. And there you go. Old one comes out. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but on these, they all have an arrow. And that's the way that you want to put that, the way the air goes up, where it sucks the air into the furnace. So I'll put the arrow facing up. And another thing that I usually do, oh, there it is I usually write the month and the year on here. They're good for 3 months, and I try to do it at the beginning of every, on the third month. So this will be 2/21. Okay. Oh. Okay, what you want to do is you want to put this into the there's like a little ledge there to put this on. Get it out. I kind of straightened mine out some because it was bent from shipping, but it should be fine. Just bend it just like that. Bend it out so it goes right into the spot there. There we go. Then you just do the little clip right here to hold it up. There you go. Then you can go ahead, put this. Oops. And that's it. Very easy. It'll save, it'll help you breathe easier and save your furnace. Alright, you see that was a pretty easy job there, but also one that had to be done. It has to be done. And I really don't think a lot of people know how to do it. So I hope it helps people out there. And I am sorry it is such a short video. And I did promise before that I was going to do a car line. Well, with me teaching our kids, my 3-year-old just started school, and she's on Zoom, and that's just a handful right there. Plus my twins, 6-year-olds, they're still home from school. So it's a lot of work for me and my wife to do all this stuff, and me to try to film, and there's gonna be weeks I will miss. And also I did promise that I was gonna get a car line soon, hopefully on the Phoenix. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, it has been really rainy here. It's been really windy, it's been cold. The cars outside, I really don't like working in the rain or the outside. So I'm hoping this next one will be one. So with that, please check out a new video next week. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Dad Life Projects. Since you're here, why don't you go ahead, hit those 2 videos, check out those 2 videos right there. Hit that subscribe button down below. And also, remember, any project you do, big or small, you are the project manager. Thank you.